How to improve your baby's ability to lay on their tummy and lift their head. Rest your baby on the physical ball on their stomach facing down and begin to move them on the ball. Slightly forward, slightly backwards, left and right. Slowly and gently with you positioned behind them. Make sure you hold both your baby's hands and very gently lean on them. The slight weight of your body will help your baby understand that their head can rest on the ball and that they can relax their back muscles. If your infant is tired, they might even fall asleep. During the following stage, after your baby has rested their head on the ball comfortably, accompany the motion with gentle pats on your baby's back. Make sure one of your hands rests on your baby's head softly without pressing. Your hand is only there to support your baby's head and to assure them that they can relax.